Enum comparison become false after reloading module. I have mynum, an enumerate derived from enum, defined in a mynum.py file such as. Then, I import this file using the importlib.import_module method. I create an instance of my enumerate, and test its value, it is correct, as intended. However, if I reload my file, using importlib.reload, a is no longer equal to mynum.1. What is causing this? I'm on Python 3.7. Result. Edit. After further research, it appears enums in Python are compared by ids. However, when re-importing the module, the ids of my enum are changed, which is why the comparison returns false. What options would there be to avoid this id change or allow the comparison to stay true?
It's impossible to avoid the id change. You made a new class with new instances while instances of the existing class still existed. Definitionally, the ids aren't allowed to be equal. If you must allow them to compare equal despite differing identities, you can just override _eq_ on the enum to do whatever you like. For example, I don't recommend this. Proper use of enums will use this for comparisons, and nothing can make that work, since it relies on the ids, which per point number 1, will always differ, and it's going to be much slower, removing one of the benefits of enums, but it's doable if you must allow reloading during development. Just make sure to remove the reload for the production code.
You cannot guarantee that my enum will always refer to the same class, but the instance E itself always refers the same class. Therefore, a workaround is to change your test to
If you want to say Enum, the answer is considered